now we're going to start about the company setup. First of all, you need to understand what is Business Central. Okay. So we're going to start with the homepage explanation of the Business Central platform. And we are going to cover all these topics. So they are huge topics. If you can see, we are going to cover all these topics one by one in all our days. I won't be running you through all the content. We will be slow so that you understand what I'm actually saying and you understand the concept of it. Okay. Now, with the start of it, let's say how what is Business Central. We're going to cover that in our first day. I'll take you to the open to my open board so that I can write and I can explain you more better. So now, when I talk about Business Central, or specifically when I talk about Microsoft, Microsoft has done what they have divided their, you can say platform, or you can say you can divide they have divided their content into two different forms. Okay, let me share a link with you. On this particular link, if you see, I have here as an available that this is an official Microsoft link. On the left hand side, you can see I have CRM available. On the right hand side, we have ERP available. And at the bottom, I have Power Platform, right? This particular link I'm going to share with you in the chat box right now. And you can please copy and paste and save that link with you for your future usage. Because this particular link which I'm providing is a hyperlink and this is under official Microsoft site. Let's say I want to check about the CRM part. So you can see if I click on the CRM, Dynamic 365 CRM, it is going to take me to the CRM, uh, which is MB 910, the course name. Like the way you have your unique identification number when you are employed with the organization. Similarly, Microsoft has given a unique identification number to each and every course. Now, if I come little bit more down, I have the Sales Functional Consultant Associate, which is a sales course. Similarly, on the right hand side, I have ERP. And onto the ERP, if I come down, I'm sorry, this particular is not getting close, the Google Chrome part. So if I come down at the last, I have this Business Central. Okay. Let me squeeze this in so that I can show you. You can see now I have this Business Central. If I click on this link, the system is going to take me to the official Microsoft content of Business Central. This is one way. I hope you already know that Business Central code which is being provided by Microsoft is MB800, the unique identification. If I click here, type here on the Google MB800, the system is going to take me to the official Microsoft document of Business Central Consultant Associate. And if I come down, I have all the preferred links available through which we can actually learn or through which I can actually see what is the official content of Microsoft. Okay. Similarly, let's say I want to go back. And if I just go back from here, the system is going to take me back to the link, which is all the courses provided by Microsoft. Now, if you go around 15, 20 years back, at that time, every organization, or I can say in every organization, every department was using a different software. Like finance was using a different software, HR was using a different software, then let's say admin was also using their different software, and I actually need to hire one another person who will actually help me to consolidate the data for me. But obviously, that is more cost impact. Like there's a more cost effective for that. So to save my cost and to save my energy, I people are now getting shifted to this Microsoft platform because on the one page only, I'll be having every content related to CRM, all the content related to Power Platform and ERP also. And let's take an example, or let me elaborate it. Let's say you are going to McDonald's, and in McD, you Max, you are super hungry, and you ask for burger, you fries and a cold drink. And Raj, you are not much hungry, so you asked for just a burger. McDonald's is not going to ask you to pay that if you boss you have visited my like place, now you need to pay this much of amount. So they're gonna charge for what you have taken from them, right? Similarly, what Microsoft has done is they have divided their courses. Let's say in one of my organization, they want finance, they want sales from the CRM, and they want the Power Platform. I'm just going to pay for finance. I'm just going to pay for sales, and I'm then going to pay for just Power Platform. I don't need to pay for supply chain management. Neither I don't need to pay for marketing or customer service or anything like that. Okay, my system will be built accordingly, and I can easily work on this platform. The very beautiful feature of this is that all the data will get integrated automatically. I don't have to run anything. I don't have to manually do anything over here. So that is a very easiest way to use. So let's say once we have taken or we have grabbed the information which is required from the particular organization, then it's easy for me that I can, then it is actually easy for me that I can actually plan my modules accordingly. I can purchase a relevant module from the Microsoft and I can use on them. Okay. So that was one thing. Now, what Microsoft has added to this is they have added two platform. One is called as an FNO platform, while another is called as an Business Central platform. While FNO platform, if I talk about, is basically for the large scale organization. And if I talk about the Business Central platform, this is basically for the small scale organization. Okay, is large enterprise with complex financial and operational requirements. And this is suitable for organization which has extensive supply chain, manufacturing, and distribution needs. While if I talk about the business central, as I've already told, this is for either small scale or you can also say medium size organization. And it's ideal for a company looking for a comprehensive business management solution with less complexity. That is how it actually works. If I talk about the functional scope of this, FNO offers the advanced financial management, supply chain management, manufacturing, and project management capabilities. And it includes modules like budgeting, project accounting, and advanced supply chain, advanced warehouse management also. While if I talk about the business central, it main focus on financial management, sales, purchasing, inventory, and project management. And this is mainly for the small scale organization, which I have already told. That are the main core differences, right? If I give a conclusion as in which organization should we, choose what, so it depends on the organization size, your complexity, and the specific business needs. And according to that, the platform should be chosen or taken care by a particular organization when they are actually working on it. Now, I hope you people in our today's session understood that what is the difference between FNO and Business Central, and what is CRM, what is Power Platform, how various options are provided by Microsoft.